YouTube? It's your boy Tiptoe Trey, back at you with another exciting video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to install a rear bumper diffuser, or I'm here to install the rear bumper diffuser on my 2019 Dodge Charger Daytona. Stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, go check out my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep supporting your boy, man. It just gets bigger from here. I appreciate all of you. I forgot to mention, along with the rear bumper diffuser, I'm gonna be putting on a couple other mods. So stay tuned, man. Watch the video all the way through. That's very important. Watch it all the way through. Come on, man. All right, you guys, let's open it up, take our very first look at what we got. Hopefully it's nice. New part. Oh la la, okay. Oh yeah. No instructions, just a box, okay. I can deal with it. I did order this part from Amazon. Muscle, baby. Oh no. I did order this part from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description of where you can find this baby. About 150 bucks. This is the cheapest one I found. All the other ones were about 200, 250 for carbon fiber. But hey, doesn't that look nice? Yeah, a closer look at that. Yes, sir. Let's get it started. All right, first things first, man. It has about 4 7mm Allen heads that I have to remove. So let's go ahead and get that started. Those are all pain I had to get out. Next step in the removal, there are 2 clips on the bottom corners. You wanna go ahead and get you a flathead screwdriver because you're gonna have to remove these 2 clips in the corner of the diffuser. What you didn't see is me struggling with with trying to get them off at first, but I finally figured it out. But yeah, here I go. All right, man, so the rest of the install is just simply pulling off the clips. I mean, just give it a little force and it should come off. Simple as that. And there you have it. First step done. Get out of here. All right, what we're gonna do is repeat the steps going back. Same steps that we did to take it off, to remove it, we're gonna repeat them going back. All right, but first, it doesn't come pre-drilled, so I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes. And there we go. Got our holes drilled and ready for the next step. Good so far. Well, I'm pissed off that my last shot was blurry. I was actually gonna remove it to put it back on, but upon removing it, I kind of cracked it a little on the tip here, right on the edge. It's about 5mm crack, so I'm not gonna deal with it. I'm sorry about, like I said, I apologize for the blurriness. Back to video. Oh wait, I wasn't done. Also in the video, I'm gonna show you how to install my removable, keyword removable, front license plate holder. The video before this one, I did complain about how the Dodge Daytonas did not come with the removable license plate holder, because nobody wants to drill directly into the bumper, man. I mean, this right here drills right under. If I move to a state where I only need one license plate, I can always remove the back one. Simple as that. But let me go ahead and get started on the video and show you how to install this baby. Just like the previous video, is also going to be using a 7mm to remove. You did? Just like the previous video, we're also going to be using a 7mm to remove the screws provided in order to put this removable license plate holder on. Oh yeah. Go ahead and pull the pin. Remove the first part, the bracket. Just as simple as that, man. Now we just screw this piece in and we are ready to go. Buddy, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
As simple as that, right there. That's on. Boom. Come on now, you can't say that doesn't look good. Yeah. There you go. Now go ahead.
Hey, YouTube.
Say go like and subscribe.
Yeah, like, subscribe.
Thank you, buddy. A removable license plate holder. As simple as that. Dodge, get with it. Boom. Alright, YouTube, let's go ahead and finish up the modifications or small little mods on the car. that's it, man. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw so far, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go comment and subscribe. Go ahead and share your boy, man. Be a part of the Tiptoe gang. Yeah, Big Calf gang. But I appreciate all my subscribers, man, for the continued support. And I'm out. On to the next video. Say go like and subscribe.
Go like, subscribe.